Rashmi of class 3rd C. Today, the students of class 3rd C are going to present the morning assembly on the topic honesty. Honesty is the quality of being honest. Honesty is always admired by people in society. It is one of the greatest human qualities. Integrity is telling myself the truth, and honesty is telling to other people truth. No legacy is so rich as honesty. With these positive lines, we begin our today's morning assembly. Get ready for prayer. All of you please join your hands and close your eyes. Of honesty through thought.
Honesty is important for success.
Honesty is often very hard.
A half truth is a whole lie.
Honesty is more than not lying. One lie ruins 1,000 truths. Integrity has no need of rules.
Be honest in all our actions, words, and all of this. See, honesty is more than just speaking the truth. It is about being genuine. That's my genuine. Transparent and accountable for our actions. That's what we need to Iman. If I am a student, I should be very sincere about my talents. According to talents, I should perform. If I am not performing according to that, I am not honest. So it reflects the courage to stand for what is right, even when it is difficult. Honesty creates trust, and trust is the backbone of every relationship, whether personal, professional, or society.